Don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Celine.
And she is managing her own mochi shop.
It's called Eat with Mochi.
Yep. So the link will be provided in the description down below. So if you want to purchase some mochi from her, you can always do so by clicking on the link. Tell me, what made you want to start a mochi business?
So there's one day I was just sudden thoughts that I'm really craving for mochi,
Okay.
I'm like craving for mochi, and then I say, okay, why not I just try to make myself. So I was looking for recipe in YouTube, the tutorial, and then I found this recipe where everyone said it's easy. Okay, so I just started making it for the first time. We have total 5 flavors. It's Kit Kat,
Right.
cookies and cream, matcha, Nutella banana, and also peanut.
So
Five.
5 flavors. Which is better?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah, I personally love the Kit Kat the most.
So how much are you selling them right now?
Uh,
How do you sell it? Like per box, per
per
piece?
box is
or?
10, but
Alright.
I'm okay with they choose mix and match. So you can choose the flavor you want by pieces.
Right.
So I'm actually selling by pieces. One flavor is 3 ringgit.
Right.
All the flavors are 3 ringgit other than peanut. Peanut is 2 ringgit.
Oh, okay.
Per
Oh, wow.
pieces.
So is it very hard to make mochi like that? What are the process like of making the mochi? Like, can you show me?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's gonna teach me how to make mochi today. And remember, if you want to get some mochi from her, you can always visit the link that I've provided in the description down below. And also, for the sake of memory, I'm gonna put it in the screen here, somewhere around here as well.
Here.
So, right. Okay, so let's go and learn how to make mochi, I guess.
Okay,
Alright,
let's go. I will first start off with 100 grams of rice flour, 30 grams of corn flour, and then mix it. 150 ml of milk with 50 grams of sugar. We mix it a bit by a bit. We will have to pour everything inside, but we just mix it a bit by a bit to see. Add everything in. We are making the signature one, cookies and cream. Okay, it's done. And then prepare a plate coated with oil so that it won't stick on the plate. And then you just strain it. Okay, and then prepare plastic wrap to wrap this thing. Wrap it like this. We have to put this into the steamer for 15 minutes, high heat.
Okay, so
Okay, so today we are making cookies and cream flavor, so we will have to have cream. So I've already pre-prepared 200 ml of whipped cream and also 20 grams of sugar in it, and we will use a mixer to stir it. Until it doesn't fall. Yeah, then it's done. So you can start to take into a plastic like this. it's done. Okay, so this one is the one that is cooked. Then we will add on the butter we pre-prepared just now in. Yeah. We have to make sure the butter is absorbed into the dough. So when it's not that hot, you can start using your hand to mix everything together. To make sure the butter is all absorbed into the dough. Yeah. Keep doing this for about 10 minutes until the dough is smooth. Then you can start putting into the fridge. Okay, that's about it. Until the surface is like this, glossy and smooth. That's when you can put it into the fridge and let it cool it down for about 30 minutes. So I've pre-prepared a plastic wrap. So just wrap it